In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Hotmail account to Gmail. By the end, you'll have your Hotmail messages showing up right inside your Gmail inbox so you can read and manage everything in one place. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. If you aren't already signed in, log into the Google account where you want your Hotmail mail to appear. This walkthrough is designed for the desktop version of Gmail, which gives you access to the settings you need. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right for the gear icon. That's the settings button. Click it to open the quick settings panel. You'll see a handful of options there, but we want the full settings page. Next, click See All Settings. This opens the complete settings menu where Gmail keeps the tools for connecting other email accounts. Along the top of that page, click the tab labeled Accounts and Import. This is the hub for linking outside mailboxes and controlling how Gmail checks for new messages from them. Take a moment to make sure you're on the correct tab before moving on. In the section called Check Mail from Other Accounts, click Add a Mail Account. A small window will pop up to guide you through the connection. If you have a pop-up blocker, allow the window to open so you can continue. Type your Hotmail email address carefully and select Next. Double-check spelling here. A typo can cause the connection to fail or fetch the wrong mailbox. Now follow the on-screen prompts to connect the Hotmail account. Depending on availability, Gmail may offer two methods. If you see the option to use Gmailify, that's often the easiest. Gmailify links your Hotmail to Gmail without manual server settings and gives you useful features like spam protection and categories. You'll be taken through a secure sign-in with your Microsoft account to grant permission. If Gmailify isn't offered, Gmail will use POP to import mail. In that case, Gmail usually fills in the server details for you. You can choose whether to leave a copy of messages on the Hotmail server, apply a label to imported messages so they're easy to find, and optionally archive them to keep your inbox tidy. Pick the options that fit how you want mail to appear in Gmail, then confirm to finish. After you complete the setup, Gmail will begin fetching your existing Hotmail emails and will check for new ones periodically. The first import can take a little time, so don't worry if everything doesn't appear instantly. That's it. Your Hotmail messages will now arrive in your Gmail, ready to read, search, and organize alongside the rest of your inbox.